Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the teacher's pet. So we're starting with a little water in our cup, and I'm doing 2 scoops of our wild berry bev mix. I'm adding a half a teaspoon and a 1/4 of tea. I'm going to froth that up, and then I'm going to add some ice. I'm going to add a berry pomegranate Liftoff. Add more ice and water. In another cup, I am adding H3O, and I'm doing 2 scoops. And I'm going to stir that up, add a little bit more ice, and then top it. And that's how you make the teacher's pet tea. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.